रेजिनाल्ड मरे आमकां सांगता रेजिनाल्ड असलो मनीस म्हाका खबर ना लेजिस्लेटर म्हाज्या परस एक टर्म चड आहा ताका दिस इज थर्ड टर्म म्हजो सेकंड टर्म ते रेजोल्युशन जर वाचलें न्ही ताका कितें अर्थ आहा अरे यू डोंट स्टडी कितें घालपा जाय ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी द लेजिस्लेटर ऑफ गोवा बाय पुटींग इन न्युमरस क्वेश्चन्स न्युमरस दीस ही इज नॉट गेमिंग कमिशनर का खंय घालपाचें कांय बरयलें ना Gaming commissioner is required in a casino. Of course it is required. I did not stand up because that I wanted to speak. But it has got no meaning in that resolution. That resolution has got no meaning. It is not for casinos. The House urgently resolves the government to appoint a gaming commissioner to check persons entering in designating gaming areas without terminus permit. What is the meaning of that? Gaming areas, आता काकोला मॉलान गेमिंग एरिया आसा तुझे येते आमचे येते मॉल आसा गेमिंग एरिया खूब आहा अरे यू शुड हॅव बी स्पेसिफिक दॅट इज आय डिड नॉट रायज एंड टेल he just for the heck of it is anyhow CM has understood his point. I will also support this point and I think there should be a gaming commissioner which has to be done. So my thing is I advise him as a senior colleague, he is a senior colleague. Baba mistake घालपाक जाय पण घालनाका हायेस्ट क्वेश्चन घातला म्हणटा तेणे हायेस्ट टॅग घातला म्हणटा तेणे पण सारकें घालपाक जाय अशें दिसता म्हाका.